Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2022 SMC Laramie Edition. The Laramie Edition is their upper end of their brand. So it is all aluminum. It is 7'6" tall, 8 wide. It is, I'm gonna say silver in color, with graphics. It is a 14-foot LQ 4-horse. I'll give you that model number here in a second. It's got a stainless nose. That model number is SL8414SSR. So it's an 8414. It does have a lockable aluminum battery box, dual hydraulic jacks, spare tire, 2 propane tanks. It is a one-owner trailer. It has been garage kept. This trailer is ceramic wrapped. I don't know if you're, or ceramic coated, excuse me. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it's a coating that you put on vehicles that actually protects it. So this one doesn't really show the black lines because it's got a protectant coating on the actual aluminum skin. So that's a bonus. It's in excellent shape. There are absolutely no dings or scratches that I can note on the outside of this side. We'll check the other side, but this side is in great shape. It has a hay pod. No, it does not. I went up there. Sorry. It's a hay rack. It is pre-wired for a generator, so it has a generator box, and it has all the pre-wire stuff on the inside of the trailer, which I will show you that shortly. It does have a ladder to that hay rack. It looks like a pod, but it's not. It's an actual hay rack. 4 drop-down windows with bars, 1 escape door, flip-up step at the escape door, 3 manger doors with storage underneath those aluminum wheels. So this is a 14-foot 4-horse with a slide. It does have a rear ramp. It's got a lot of extra items added. It's got 3 tie rings on this side. So rear ramp, you can kind of see that box for that generator is already there and prepared and ready. So rear ramp, collapsible rear tack, blanket bar, saddle rack. That saddle rack does come out and that rear tack is collapsible. 2 rear load lights. Horse box honestly doesn't even look like horses have ever really been in this trailer. They rinsed out this trailer every time they used it. Fully lined and insulated, fans, rear drop windows, camera system, and it does have the actual monitor here as well. 2 tie rings per horse, airflow padded dividers, lower divider. Let me go to the front and then work my way back. I'll show you the only issue with this trailer. We're going to try to attempt to make it better. Bud's going to try to work on it. But walk-through door. The only thing wrong with this trailer, really the only thing wrong, is you see there's a slit in that rubber mat. It had a bubble. These mats are notorious in all manufacturers to kind of bubble with the heat. So that's what's happened to this one, and it basically popped. So it does have a slit in the middle mat. Again, we're going to try to patch that. But just so you know, full disclosure, that's the only thing wrong with this trailer that I can find. So let me give you a view from this view. You can kind of see it. So that is it. Again, fully lined and insulated. Very cool in the back of this trailer with these windows both sides down, and the actual insulated portion keeps it nice and cool. All right, this side, again, I don't see any issues with this trailer. I mean, there might be a scuff here from the handle. Those are kind of notorious to do that. That's it. So this trailer is, I'm gonna say, in light new condition. I mean, the interior is definitely in light new condition. It still smells, excuse me, brand new. Big, huge power awning. Again, this is the Laramie edition. So flip up step, looks like it does have a 10 gallon hot water heater, so that's an upgrade. Flip up step into the LQ. It's a real pretty LQ. I like the decor that they used on the inlay of the valances. So it is the Dinette makes a bed. Spinning around, it is the riser wall sofa, so that does make a bed as well. Real open. It's a very open floor plan, very popular open floor plan, 14 foot. So it's got storage behind the bed. Again, steps up to the bed here. Rear kitchen, dual stainless sinks, TV with a swing arm. It is a ducted AC and propane furnace. It's got fancy lights in the radio, or the speakers. So it does have an indoor, outdoor speakers and radio. So you see the kind of the decor along here. It smells new, guys. I mean, this trailer is been very well kept. Like I said, it's been kept undercover. Big, spacious floor space. Got dogs, got a lot of room in here. Big fridge, microwave, 2-burner gas top stove. It's got closet space here. I'm going to say that's the water tank underneath. Yep. Pocket bathroom door. Of course, toilet, sink, and vanity. It's got the big dome shower, walk-through door. It's got a fantastic fan. It's got a closet back here as well that's pretty deep with a shelf. So immaculate is what I'm going to call this trailer. 2022 SMC Laramie 8414. You need a 4-horse. You need a big LQ with a lot of space. You could put a gosh dang, you could put a full-size mattress in this floor and still get around. So this is a great trailer for the space, for the sleeping space. If you need to haul 4 horses, great trailer here to consider, in excellent shape. So Carolina Trailer Sales, best way to reach me is the 828-773-4500. Also, we do not put pricing on our YouTube. You need to go to carolinatrailersales.com. Please subscribe. You'll get our information first. Super nice trailer. 4-horse. 4 horses are hard to come by, guys. Use this one's going to be a great one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.